Tired of sweating through lawn maintenance? Today we bring you the top 3 robotic lawn mowers over $100 that deliver smart, hands-off mowing. We'll compare features, pros and cons, and help you choose your perfect match. At number 1 is the Husqvarna Automower 450XH, a top-tier robotic mower designed for large lawns up to 1.25 acres. Known for its smart features and precision mowing, it uses a perimeter wire for boundary guidance, and the app lets you schedule, use LED headlights, and even customize cutting height electronically. Built rugged for slopes up to 45%, with quiet operation and smart collision sensors. Reviewers highlight its reliability and efficiency, making it a standout choice for serious yard maintenance. It auto-adjusts speed and cutting height, ensuring a consistently well-groomed lawn. However, it's expensive. Prices hover around $3,300, and the setup with boundary wire is somewhat involved. Users also report occasional getting stuck. Ideal if you're looking for top-of-the-line automation and can handle the budget and setup complexity. Now, Segway's Navimow Y110N, our second contender, offers wire-free RTK navigation at a more accessible price, around $12.99. It uses RTK GPS and Wi-Fi/Bluetooth for app-based scheduling. No buried wires required. The mower performed exceptionally well in The Verge's tests, navigating smoothly around obstacles and offering one of the easiest, most feature-rich companion apps. That said, RTK setups like this require a clear sky for consistent signal, roof installation may be needed, and connectivity can waver at times. Perfect if you want less fuss, solid tech, and prefer a wire-free setup. Just factor in RTK limitations. Finally, meet the Mammotion Luba 2 AWD, an all-wheel drive powerhouse built for uneven terrain and steep slopes, ideal for challenging yards. Users say its build quality feels more rugged than the Husqvarna's EPOS variant, with a solid RTK setup including a mounting pole. It shines on hilly surfaces, maneuvering around obstacles with ease. However, users also report issues, like the mower getting stuck at row ends or tree bases and creating crop circles as it forced turns in soft turf. And while Husqvarna's EPOS may suffer with satellite signal issues, the Luba's build addresses terrain, but still struggles in tight spaces. Ideal if you have hilly, rugged terrain that demands a tough machine. Just watch for turf care and fine-tuning tech. Let's wrap it up. Here's a quick breakdown. Husqvarna Automower 450XH. Reliability, intelligent features, large coverage, best in class if you're okay with price and wire setup. Segway Navimow I110N. Wire-free RTK navigation. Easy app, mid-price. Simplicity, moderate terrain, value. Mammotion Luba 2 AWD. Odd. Rugged build, slope mastery. Hilly or uneven lawns, durability. No matter which one you choose, you're trading sweating weekdays for smart, autonomous cleaning. Let us know in the comments, which mower suits your lawn best? Like, subscribe and stay tuned. We've got more home automation content coming your way.